Welcome to the Lux AI Tools channel. Have you ever thought that with just a few simple prompts in ChatGPT, you could create an image of an iced matcha latte that looks like a Starbucks ad, with your own brand logo on it? Well, I'm sitting right here in front of my screen, and I'm going to walk you through how to combine ChatGPT and Canva to create a stunning image, like you're designing content for a premium beverage brand. Make sure you follow every step in this video. I'll explain everything super clearly. Let's get into it. First, I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. Create image of an iced matcha latte in a clear glass with cream foam. I asked ChatGPT to generate an image of an iced matcha latte in a clear glass with creamy foam on top. And here's the result. It's gorgeous. That cool green from the matcha, the smooth white foam on top, it looks just like those aesthetic Instagram posts. Now let's level it up. I typed, add a colorful Zen logo on the glass, asking ChatGPT to place a vibrant Zen logo right on the cup. Seconds later, ChatGPT gave me a new version, gorgeous matcha latte with a sleek Zen logo perfectly placed in the center. It seriously looks like a product ready to launch. Next, I wanted to design a social media post with an eye-catching layout, so I typed this into ChatGPT. Create a social media post 1080 by 1350 pixels, with a natural background and tiny characters climbing up the matcha latte glass. Boom! ChatGPT delivered the perfect scene. Lush green leaves in the background, matcha glass in the center, and these adorable tiny characters, like cartoons, climbing up the glass. So cute and super creative. Next, I opened Canva. If you've never used it, don't worry, it's super beginner-friendly. I downloaded the image from ChatGPT and dragged it into Canva. The interface is super intuitive. Just a few clicks and you can add text, tweak the layout, whatever you want. Now I added a catchy headline. A taste of calm, powered by Zen. I picked a soft artistic font to match the Zen vibe. Feel free to use whatever font suits your brand. And here it is. A fully polished design that looks like a legit ad poster, and it only took me a few minutes with AI. See? No Photoshop, no designer needed. Just ChatGPT and Canva. Now you've got a stunning matcha latte, a Zen-branded logo, and a social post that's ready to go viral. And here's the best part. What you just saw is only one tiny thing ChatGPT can do. If you want to start making real money online using ChatGPT, here's the combo I use across my YouTube channels. ChatGPT plus Video Gen. I use ChatGPT to write video scripts super fast, then plug them into Video Gen to generate full videos, voiceover animation effects, almost fully automated. Then I just upload to YouTube, and if you post consistently, your channel gets monetized quickly. It's a super simple and effective system for building passive income with AI. I've already made a step-by-step tutorial video showing exactly how I do this. It's super easy to follow. The link is right below in the description. Go check it out after this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss more tips like this. I post every week. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I always try to reply. Catch you in the next video. Stay creative and keep building your dream life. Lux AI Tools, helping you build smarter, faster, and richer YouTube channels with AI.